Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. In this video, we will see one of the feature of a assembly language programming or assembler. It is nothing but the hand assembly. Hand assembly is the process of translation of. What is it? It is the process of translation of. Which process it is? It is nothing but the translation of assembly language program to its object code. Means we are transferring the higher level language to its lower level language, or in the sense middle level language, which is understood by the machine structure or internal architecture of our computer. So these instructions are converted by hand, which is the process. By hand we are converting these instructions to object code, instruction by instruction. Means we are picking one instruction, convert it into object code, then next instruction into object code, and so on till the your process doesn't stops. Now we will see some example part which will explain the hand assembly process. All the knowledge of machines are stored in some tables like machine instruction tables, then register table, count table, and so on. So we can convert any instruction into machine language. Means, for example, which are the different databases required to convert the program into its machine code, that are register table, then CC table, and lots of some tables which are used to solve any assembly language, or in hand assembly we use such type of tables. For example, we are having the one instruction like add, then A register we have to add B, means it will gives us, means we will convert this assembly language to its machine code. Like we are using 01 for addition, and we have to transfer the 102's memory location to the A register. This is the hand assembly conversion. Now what is the actual terms, or which are the different steps? That are, we have to consider first of all the source code, then we are transferring it to the hand assembly. There is a procedure, then it will gives us the object code. Means here it is our higher level language or assembly program. By hand assembly it will transfer to the lower level or the machine language programs, and for that, this is the hand assembly, means human will convert these. So here it will require the knowledge of the microprocessor in the form of tables. Means using only this information it will convert this source program to its particular object code. So this is the hand assembly procedure.